Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss a crucial topic: how to protect your privacy online in 2025. Every day, we use online accounts and services, but many of us don't realize just how vulnerable our personal information can be. In this video, I'll guide you through practical steps and essential tools to help you safeguard your privacy and stay secure online. Step 1. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Adding two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is one of the most effective ways to secure your online accounts. Even if someone manages to steal your password, two-factor authentication provides an extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification step, usually a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Open Gmail in your web browser. Access your Google account settings by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Manage your Google account. Navigate to the Security tab on the left-hand side. Here you can choose two-step verification. You will now be prompted to add a second verification method. You can either enter your phone number or use an authenticator app, which is the recommended option for stronger security. Popular apps include Google Authenticator or Authy. If you choose the Authenticator app, after this, choose Setup Authenticator. Open the app on your phone and scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Enter the code generated by the app into Gmail to verify the connection. Once verified, two-factor authentication is successfully enabled. By enabling two-factor authentication, you significantly increase the security of your account, making it much harder for hackers to gain access to your personal information. Step 2. VPN setup. Using a VPN, or virtual private network, is one of the most effective ways to protect your online privacy. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, hides your IP address, and helps keep your online activities private, even on public Wi-Fi networks. Visit the VPN provider's website. For example, go to https://nordvpn.com. Create an account and select a subscription plan. Some VPNs may offer a free trial period, allowing you to test their services before committing. Download and install the desktop application for your VPN. Most providers have apps compatible with Windows and Mac. Open the VPN app and log in using the credentials you created during sign-up. Once logged in, click Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest available server. If you need to appear as if you are browsing from a specific country, you can manually select a server location such as the USA, UK, or any other supported country. Once connected, all your internet traffic is encrypted, and your real IP address is hidden. This makes it much harder for hackers, advertisers, or third parties to track your online activity or intercept sensitive data. Setting up a VPN is a simple but powerful step toward maintaining your online privacy and securing your digital footprint. Step 3. Browser privacy settings. To enhance your online privacy, it is essential to adjust your browser settings to limit tracking, block unwanted cookies, and control the data websites can collect. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop. In the top right corner, you'll see the three dots. That's the menu button. Click on it and go to Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left side and open Privacy and Security. This is where all your main privacy controls are. Now, start by opening third-party cookies. Here, switch the option to block third-party cookies. This helps stop advertisers and other websites from tracking you across different sites. After that, scroll down a bit and turn on the option that says Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. Not every website listens to it, but it still gives you an extra layer of privacy. Next, go back to the Privacy and Security page and open Security. Under Safe Browsing, choose Enhanced Protection. This mode gives you stronger protection against harmful sites, malware, and hidden trackers. Now let's talk about extensions. Now click on the extension icon. After this, choose Manage Extension. Make sure you only keep trusted extensions. Remove anything that looks suspicious or anything you don't remember installing. If you want extra protection, you can also install privacy-focused extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, or Ghostery. These help block ads, trackers, and unwanted scripts. And if you want to clean things up a bit, you can also go back to Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. Removing old cookies and cached files can improve your privacy and speed up your browser. Step 4. Additional desktop privacy tips. To keep your computer protected from security threats, it's really important to make sure Windows and all your apps stay up to date. Updates often include security fixes, performance improvements, and new features that keep your system running smoothly. So here's how you can do it. Start by clicking the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the Windows logo. After that, click the Settings icon, the one that looks like a small gear. Once the Settings window opens, look for the option called Update and Security and click on it. This is where Windows handles all your updates. Inside the Update section, you'll see a button that says Check for Updates. Go ahead and click it. Windows will now search for any new updates available for your system. If it finds any, you'll see the option to download and install. Click that and let Windows handle the rest. Depending on the size of the updates, it may take a few minutes. Just let it finish downloading and installing everything. When it's done, Windows might ask you to restart your computer. If you see the restart prompt, click Restart Now. This step is important because some updates only apply after a reboot. By keeping Windows updated regularly, you make sure your computer has the latest security patches, bug fixes, and protection against new threats. It's one of the simplest but most effective ways to keep your device safe and running smoothly. And that's it. That's our guide on protecting your privacy online in 2025. We covered VPN, desktop privacy tips, 2FA, and browser privacy settings. Remember, staying safe online is in your hands. Apply these tips and keep your digital life secure.